Muckrack is looking for an inbound sales development representative. And Muckrack is the leading SaaS platform for PR and communication professionals. They're looking for someone to do the following: respond to, engage with, and qualify inbound leads promptly via email and phone, manage and overcome objections from potential buyers, schedule meetings, proactively manage and overcome objections from potential buyers, collaborate across teams, maintain accurate records, activities, and lead assignments in Salesforce to maintain organized CRM data and ensure effective reporting. And just to get over to the interview process, this is it here. And they're looking for someone who's willing to work East Coast hours. And this is an entry-level role, so feel free to take a look at pursuing this for people with entry-level experience as well as recent graduates. And the salary, $53,000 with $63,000 plus in OTE. And if you're looking for assistance in strategizing as it relates to your dream job, work from home job search, we'd love to help you. Take a look at our link in the bio.